off soon, so catch you later. Okay, we've been at the airport for 4 hours and we still have 4 more, so we're halfway there. But we've just been sitting here and my back hurts and I have a headache, but pushing through. We will arrive in Paris in the morning. And it'll be weird because of the time change, but oh well. This is my room. So you walk in, there's a heater, and there's 2 beds pushed together because it's my own room, and the ceilings are very high. And then I have a desk here, so I have my makeup, and then my school stuff over here. Got a little cubby down there. And then next to it I have the wardrobes, which I really only use the right one, but the left one I put extra stuff in. And then here is my window. But let me see if I can get the view. The shutters are closed right now because it's windy. Here's my view. So there's the market down here. There's a lot of restaurants, like right here. Some tents where people sell things, and then I don't know if you could see that building right next to me is a kind of like a West Side market. It's very cool. So they have a lot of food and stuff, which I'm going to right now to get some groceries. There is my room, and I will videotape the rest of my apartment after I close my shutters again. Okay, so this is the door to our apartment, and we have this little thing where we can buzz people in. So right when you walk in, there's a bathroom right here. This is where I shower. Pretty basic, got a bidet. And then is our living room. So you have a coat rack. There's our TV, which is smaller than my laptop screen. A couch. Drying racks over there. A couple chairs. Table. And then we have a lot of books in here that were here when we got here. Some extra dishes. There's this tiny TV screen. That's how big it is. More books. There's a little Pinocchio because Pinocchio was written in Florence, so it's everywhere. Got extra sheets up there, extra towels. Here's a mirror. And then you go into the hallway. That's a bedroom. Then this long hallway. Here's our kitchen. So we have all the cabinets on this side. It's our water heater, gas stove, and oven. And we have our washer in here. It's very small. Takes about 3 hours to do a load. And then got our sink. And then we have like a drying rack up here, which is where we keep all of our plates and cups. It's just another utility sink. Got a lot of bins for trash because they split their trash up here by like plastics, paper, waste, whatever. Here's our table and our fridge over there. And then we have a closet right there for like cleaning supplies and stuff. And then this is the view outside of our kitchen into the courtyard. So there's the elevator there, and then there's lines hanging to hang our clothes, which I haven't done. I'm just gonna use the drying rack because if they fall down there, there's no way to get down there. So that's kind of bad, but yeah, it's cute. It works. Been cooking a lot of pasta. Okay, people are sleeping, so I'm gonna be quiet, but this is a hallway with all the bedrooms and mine's at the end, so here we go. There's another bathroom. Makes a really scary noise because our fan is broken. That's a bedroom we're in, and Carly. And this is Gabby and Allie's bedroom. And then here is mine, which I already gave you the tour of. So, yeah, that's my apartment. It's pretty good, pretty cold because they regulate heat here. So my heater's not on for like half the day, but it's getting better. Today it's actually pretty warm outside, even though it's kind of humid. It's pretty humid here, but I have lots of blankets and stuff, so it's been fine. But I like having my own room because I can, you know, spread my stuff out and have some time by myself to do homework or do whatever, so it's pretty good. Yeah, so there's my apartment overview. This is how long it takes to get down my stairs. So I've been here for a little bit over a week now, and I've filmed some stuff on my phone just while I've been out, but I haven't like properly filmed things with my camera yet. So I finished my my first week of classes yesterday. I'm in 3 in-person classes and then 1 online class. And I'm pretty excited for my studio project. And the apartment's been good. We're actually located in a really good location, like close to the central market, and kind of just like open in a plaza, which is really nice because it's not like dark streets near me. It's always like well lit and I feel safe coming home and everything. So so far it's been pretty good. I'm having a lot of fun. I guess I just kind of got to get into the groove of classes and homework, and then I'm getting slowly okay at Italian. I don't really understand people, but I can say most of the basic phrases. I need to practice more, but I have an app that will help me know some of the verbs especially. When I first got here, it was so hectic. I was so busy trying to just figure out everything and get food in my apartment and get all my stuff together. So that's why I haven't really been filming as much, but hopefully I think I've got like enough footage now that I can like put this video up for everybody to see. Yeah, so who knows how I'm gonna organize this first video, but it might just be a montage of like everything I've experienced thus far being here in Italy.